All right, here is a quick tutorial on how to do a bulk edit. So I didn't see any loose Southgate photos in here, so I'm just going to search for Southgate. Now, the search brings up everything within the system, not necessarily within the folder that you're looking for. But that's okay, because if it's already in the Southgate folder and we move it to the Southgate folder, that won't do anything for us. So I'm just going to click these ones that I know should go to Southgate and can go to Southgate. So I'm going to click these ones. So I would click everything that I want to make an adjustment to. And then this nice little wizard hat that Dusty did for me because, you know, I love Harry Potter. This is how we do our bulk edits. So once we've selected all the images that we want to move or make an edit to, we click bulk edit. And then you'll see, this is what I was talking about, where you have to do the checkbox for each one that you want to do. So if I wanted to change the status of all of them, make them all inactive, I would have to click status. If I just change this to inactive, it's not going to change it because this checkbox here is what tells us to make the change. So here I do want to change the folder. And for you guys, we're probably going to have to figure out some way to make this a little bit easier for you because you guys have so many folders. But for now, we'll just scroll down to Southgate Brewing Company. So that's going to move it there. And also, while I have this up, and I know that these have to do with food and beverage, I'm just going to click on there. So I want to add a category, so I'm going to click this too. And then we have this exclude from galleries, which we will utilize later as we build galleries and as we work to make those external download galleries. So, you know, if you wanted to exclude from a gallery, again, you would check this box and, you know, change it to yes. So we have that done. Then we're going to click up here and press save. And of course, my internet always goes slow whenever I try and do a demonstration. And then I should have paid attention to where within here, I think it's in here, partners, and we'll scroll down here to scroll, so many folders, to, oh, keep going, I do know my alphabet. And then I think this is probably what Rhonda's talking about, that now I have to scroll back up to the top and you can see that those moved over here, and probably one of the logos was already in here, so it's in here twice. But that moved that. So that very quickly is how to do a bulk edit. Let me know if you have any questions on that.